पावर मूव टोटल बॉडी हिट करेंगे, बट बीच में काफ़ी ज़रा हाई इंटेंस एंड पावर मूव्स होंगे. सो दैट्स द प्लान फॉर टुडे. एंड हेलो फरहान, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विद वार्म अप. जॉग इन प्लेस. मैं इसको ऑन कर दूँ. जी भी खाना है, परफ्यूम खाएं. ये कहाँ हुआ है बेबी? शरद पुप्पो के पास है. शरद पुप्पो को आपको परफ्यूम लगा दें. जी जी, शरद पुप्पो के पास है. ठीक है. 9 10 फ्रॉम हियर साइडवेज. Keep your core engaged. Same thing backwards. Swing करनी है पूरी leg. Other leg. Jog in place. Sideways again. Swing. Other leg. Jog again. Sideways. Leg swings. Other leg. And 10. We're just doing one flexibility move for the same set. Warm up ही में आ रहा है. So we're doing this one exercise and then we'll move to the main circuit. तो एक combination move है. हमने basically करना है. We have to go in a sumo squat. ये नीचे गए. यहाँ से हमने किया walkout. Walkout से हमने किया back up. Like your legs can touch the ground. I'll just show it from the side. ये हमने 5 करनी है 3 times. This is just to open your body up ताकि हम main circuit के जाए. So in a squat, you go walk out. Plank में जब आप आ गए, touch your legs on the ground और फिर ऊपर, फिर वापस पीछे. And इसी तरह. So we'll be doing 5 of these. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 4, 1, 5, 10-second break. We'll repeat this 2 more times. फिर हम अपने पावर सर्किट की तरफ आ जाएंगे. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. 10-second break. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. So that's it. That's the warm up. We're done with warm up. हम अब करेंगे the first circuit. मैं उसकी exercises explain कर देती हूँ. So 3 exercises. हम हर एक्सरसाइज करेंगे 20 सेकेंड्स के लिए. मैं टाइमर पे ऑन कर लूँ. ओके. सो जो सबसे पहले हमारी एक्सरसाइज है, it's called a power jump. So what it looks like is आपकी जो है टांगे बिल्कुल हिप के पैरेलल नीचे आई. You're standing like this. ये टच किया, jump up, jump up. So this is a power jump. So we have to jump from the bottom. First move. Second move in this is second हम करेंगे हमने बेयर होल्ड में, I'll show it from the side. So घुटने ज़मीन से थोड़ा 2 इंच ऊपर रहेंगे. We have to do shoulder taps, alternate shoulder taps. So we will be doing this for 20 seconds. Third move in this is going to be push-up, power push-up. So power push-up looks like this. हमने नॉर्मल पुशअप जिससे पुशअप नॉर्मल करना है नॉर्मल कर लें, नीज पे कर लें, कोई मसला नहीं. इफ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ यू कैन डू दिस. इसमें बेसिकली दिस इज पावर जैक पुशअप. करना ये है जिसका यू हैव टू गो. सो यू बेसिकली डूइंग अ जैक. आई शो इट फ्रॉम अ साइड. सो आपने टांगों और बाजू को एक साथ जंप आउट करना है एंड देन जंप इन करना है. सो यू आर हियर. So this is a power push-up, power jack push-up. We'll be doing these 3 moves, 20 seconds each, no rest in between. We'll repeat it 3 times and then we'll take a 30-second break. So that's our first round. I'll put the timer on and let's start with power jumps. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go, let's go. Bear hold, shoulder taps, go. Three, two, one. Power push-ups, go. Time. Jumps again, power jumps. Shoulder taps. Power push-ups. Time. Power jumps again. Last time. Plank shoulder taps. Bear shoulder taps. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up jacks. And time. Second one done. Take a break. My sweat's going all in my face. Okay, second exercise is, मैं आपको second set बताती हूँ. Okay. Okay, so the second set is ज़्यादा leg dominant है. Second set जो सारा leg dominant है. So be prepared for this. My legs are burnt. So हम पहला ये करेंगे. मैट बस पीछे. So what we're going to do is, हम यहाँ से गए. We have to jump आगे. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. So squat. Jump आगे. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. So that's our first move. Second move is going to be half burpee squat. So what we have to do is, second में हमने ये करना है कि हम जैसे burpee करते हैं, लेकिन हमें पूरी burpee नहीं करनी. फिर here, you go here, ये. So go पीछे, then come ऊपर. Half burpee मैं side से दिखा देती हूँ. So we have to get back up in a squat. From here, squat up. So that's our second move. Third move is going to be a squat with kicks sideways dono. So it's going to be this, 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 this. So 3 moves, same thing, 20-second each, no break. And we're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Time. Burpee. 1. Squat side kicks. Let's go. Tight. Again. Jump. Burpee squat. Time. Squat side kicks. Squat again. Squat jump forward and shuffle back. Burpee squat. Squat side kicks. Time. Circuit to done. So I'm explaining the next circuit. हमारे पास जो मिनट की ब्रेक है उसमें मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. So the first exercise is going to be 4 high knees or 4 mountain climber. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 high knees, 4 mountain climber. The next move is going to be spider monkey, which looks like this. Jab aapne plank pe jana hai, I'll show it from the side. You're in a plank. You have to switch. Ye टांग इधर जाएगी आगे. So you have to switch legs. So this is our second move, spider monkey. Our third move is plank jacks. Our third move is going to be plank jack. If you can do a shoulder tap with it, perfect. If you can't, normal plank jack is fine as well. So this would look like this. I'll show it from the side. So plank jack and shoulder tap ka mix karke karna hai. Same pattern. We'll do each exercise 20 seconds. No rest in between. Set ek dafa khatam ho jayega, then we'll take a break. So starting. Let the timer hit 50. I think मैंने टाइम ज़रा ज़्यादा कर दिया. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spider monkey from here. Time. Plank. Plank jacks. Let's go, plank jacks. Two, one. High knees again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Spider monkeys. Plank jacks. High knees again, last time. One, two, three, four. From here, spider monkeys. Plank jacks. Last time, plank jacks. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Last set. Last set is जरा easy. We'll be doing abs, but खड़े होके abs को hit करेंगे. So 3 exercises again. Same pattern. 20 seconds each. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे high knees, पर high knees में हम हाथ ऊपर रखेंगे. So it will be like this. हाथ ऊपर करके high knees. Second में high knees की variation में we have to turn our torso right and left. So this is our second move. Third is slightly easy. We'll be doing body अपनी जगह पर रहेगी, सिर्फ arm torso को move करना है. So starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. High knees. Sideways. Rotations. Make sure अपनी abs को आपने squeeze in किया हुआ है. High knees again. Sideways. Switch. Last time. Sideways. Last time, twist. Keep your core engaged. And time. That's it. We've burned 250 calories in 25 minutes. So yes, that's it. Don't forget to cool down. करके साथ में कर लेते हैं. Breathe in, breathe out. From here, come here, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come here, go up. पीछे टांग पकड़ें, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, squat down, push your leg open इस तरह ताकि एरिया स्ट्रेच हो जाए. Swing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, go back up, breathe in. And that is it. That is it. I'm rinsed. So, inshallah, see you guys soon. I'll go and shower. Hope you all had fun. And let me know how the workout was. Take care. Bye-bye.